heading up the front stretch right now, Big Well. You want to get as much speed as possible. You're on the throttle hard, on the throttle hard, on the brake again, going into this corner. Fastest corner in the world. You're going through turn 8 at Willow Springs. This is scary. What's up, guys? About to jump into the C8 Z06 and head over to Willow Springs International Raceway because I've got a super fun packed day today and tomorrow. We're gonna do some filming. And I'll wait to show you exactly what we're filming when we get there, but it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna be working with some people you've probably seen all over the internet and TV screens in the past, and it should be fun, but we're doing it with the C8 Z. So yeah, let's get rolling. Alrighty, so we just got here to Willow Springs International Raceway. One of the oldest tracks in California. It's the oldest track in California, I'm pretty sure. And it's one of the oldest tracks in the nation, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, just got here. They're filming on track right now. But what are we filming? I'm here with Autotrader UK. So I'm looking forward to filming with them today. We're going to be filming the C8 Z06. We're going to be doing a special episode. It's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be pretty cool. Can't wait till it comes out to see exactly how it came out. But Rory Reid, who is a former Top Gear host, is here today. He is one of the Autotrader UK hosts. And yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. C8 Z is looking absolutely amazing. And we got it all cleaned up. But I had to drive 2 hours, so now I need to get it cleaned up some more. Look all dirty and stuff. But anyways, I'll get this thing cleaned up, fired up, and ready to go so we can get on track and do some amazing filming. We're about to do a drag race, Lucid C8 Z06 Mustang. We'll see how this goes. Should be pretty fun. I did a 3.4 second 0 to 60 on this terrible surface. Look at the surface that we're running on. It's all like rigid and bumpy. And, I mean, even when I'm talking, my voice is like shaking from all these bumps. But still did a 3.4 0 to 60, so that's not bad. We're about to hop out there and do the time trial. It's going to be my stock C8 Z06 versus a 1,000 horsepower time attack Tesla Plaid. Should be pretty fun. So right now what we're about to do is get some drone shots of both of the cars, my C8 Z06 and this Tesla Plaid race car, time attack car. And it's going to be a little interesting. The car that's not being shot by...
What's the speed you want around the turn?
We'll go into the details right now.
As quick as you want around the turn. So this is all high speed stuff, but in terms of preserving your state of charge, you can go slow on the straight or slowish, but quickly around the corner. Copy you. I'll get the speed for sure. Jesse, I know your tires are cold, but it's not flat out around the turn. It's it'll look quick regardless.
I can go hard on cold tires still.
Nice. Go hard, my man.
Yeah, so we're gonna be getting shots around different corners. So it'll be a lot of hurry up and wait. It's like get around this corner, get a cool shot with the drone, then come back to the front stretch and chill and wait till the next corner that they want you to go hard through. So yeah, should be interesting, but we're getting ready to roll out here in a moment. All right, I'm heading out. All right, ready to go.
Action, Corvette. And just after 5, come to a complete stop, and then we will let you know when we're set for turn 6.
Copy that.
Please back up and reposition at turn 5. Action.
Inside so they can watch and see what's going on. It's like a control center in here as well. That's pretty cool. Nothing really up front, just driver drives, but the controllers can sit back here and basically at a control center to control what's going on, see what's going on. Look at that controller right there. Camera truck. Man, it's crazy.
So not to where we never have to come back. Where's this at? So, okay, you want me to go for some? Yeah. It doesn't look like we have 25, so we have to add it. Yeah.
is the lap of Big Willow. Talk us through it, Jesse.
So we are heading up the front stretch right now, Big Well. You want to get as much speed as possible. Stay over here to the right, but you're on the brake super hard going to turn one, downshift to fourth, downshift to third, turn into that last cone. You're going to want to get down to this apex here, power out of it, shift up to fourth. As you're heading over here to turn three, on the brake a little bit, lift off that brake, let it coast in, but you're going to want to get as close as possible to this inside, try to feed as much speed as possible. The car is either going to push or it's going to get a little sideways on you. Be ready to catch it because this Z06 will bite you. You're on the throttle hard, on the throttle hard, on the brake again going into this corner, down just to third, turn in at the last cone. You want to bring it down here to the apex, be ready for the car to slide just a little bit coming up this track. This car can get a little squirmy on you, on the brake a little bit, turn in, get down here to the apex so you can power out. You're still in third gear right now, still in third gear, on the brake here, just like, get off of it, come into the middle,
Yes.
turn in. The car does turn in very good as long as you get the weight to transfer forward as quick as possible. When you go over that crest, you're going to want to get off the throttle a little bit. You don't want to be wide open going through there or else you're going to go on a ride. Fastest corner in the world. You're going through turn 8 at Willow Springs.
This is scary.
It's a very scary corner. We're not even going maxed out right now, and it's still a little sketch. You're going to downshift going in here. We're getting ready for turn 9, which is definitely a scary corner for a lot. Downshift to third, turn down, get close to this apex right here. You're on the throttle hard, upshift to fourth, and you're rolling up this front stretch. You're going to want to shift to fifth before you even get down here to the end. On fifth, we're in fifth right now. On the brake hard, on the brake. Downshift to fourth, downshift to third. Turn in, carry as much speed as you can, but definitely don't lose it. I've lost it in this corner one time. It wasn't that fun to lose it.
Lose it today, bro.
Yeah. Day one is wrapped. It was really, really fun. We did some racing, we did some lap times, time trials, you name it. I'm running against electric cars all day. It was gas versus electric, and those electric cars are pretty fast, especially these ones now making 800, 900, 1,000 plus horsepower. You know, even racing against a time attack electric car, I mean, come on. I mean, it's gonna be, it's like bringing a knife to a gunfight, but it was fun. It was a good time. The Autotrader UK guys and girls were amazing, amazing team of people, real fun to work with. We got day 2 coming up tomorrow, and should be some more fun, just kind of doing some interviews, doing some more on-track stuff, and yeah, should be a good time overall. But yeah, had a good time. Me versus the world. Good times.